Hello everybody! Welcome to Momspiration for a very short go live. Mommy Myra here. Kumusta po kayo? I just would like to share some little nuggets of the experiences that I had this morning. You know, when you're working with real people, especially in the healthcare industry, marami tayong insights na nakukuha sa mga experiences natin at experiences ng mga tao, especially experiences ng mga tao under our care. It's not always easy dealing with people who are in pain, who have their own sufferings. And what I'm finding is that their experiences can somehow become an inspiration to other people. Like itong isang cancer patient na nakausap ko, not really under my direct care, but how she shares her journey to wellness, and she said questionable whether I will be getting well even. Other people, other patients were listening to her. And it was so touching hearing the stories of their struggles and how they're able to cope with whatever it is that they were going through. And it just reminded me of something that my mom actually reminded this to me, because there was a point in my life when I thought parang it was dark. Not that I was really in deep despair, but maybe because I was sad. And she would tell me that, you know, it's not always sunshine. Days can be gloomy, and that's how I relate the experiences that I had looking after these people. Parang na-inspire tuloy ako, kaya pinatugtog ko to. At talagang sa buhay natin, meron tayong laging nakikita na starlight. Kaya para tayong hindi nag-iisa. Kasi even though napakalungkot natin and we think that we may be in darkness, hindi talaga. Kasi for those who believe in the afterlife, meron tayong mga loved ones na nag-pass away na because we believe in that afterlife and we believe in them. We know that they are watching over us. But it doesn't have to be always people that have passed away. It can also be like our friends, our, people that are around us, maybe colleagues or some friends. They can give us starlight. And sa ating personal na buhay, sa family natin, sa trabaho natin, even in our business, there are some phases in our lives when we can question, kaya ko pa ba? Parang I'm in the dark, pero kaya natin. Starlight, star bright, stay with me all through the night. Starlight, you shine so bright, maybe not in the morning, but it's always there waiting for me when I need my starlight. I don't own the rights to the music. This is Miss OQ's music, her composition. So words and lyrics are hers. Faces you'll never remember. It's always that way every day. Though it's never intended, some things can't be mended. You hope it just all goes away. Sometimes you forget who was there all along. Sometimes they just seem out of sight. But I know that you'll always be there through my darkest nights. Starlight, star bright, stay with me all through the night. Starlight, you shine so bright, maybe not in the morning, but you're always there waiting for me when I need my starlight. At sa buhay po natin, minsan kailangan natin ng starlight, pero marami rin pong pagkakataon na hindi natin alam, starlight din tayo sa ibang tao. God bless you all, everybody. See you again. Bye for now from Momspiration.